YouTube? What is the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. Y'all already see what we got going on in today's video. Just hopped into the G87 M2. Give y'all boys a little cold start. Sheesh. Oh my god. Turn all that shit off. I fucking drive the car for like a day. It's fake been sitting for a little bit. Fake just been chilling. But yeah, so right now I'm about to go to the gym right now with my boy. Do your homework on my boy OVO Pravi. Shout out. My boy with the Type S. So we about to go over there to the gym right now with him. Thought I'd pick up the cam, give y'all boys a little POV drive. Y'all really enjoy the nighttime POV drives. So I said, fuck it, why not? Give y'all boys one right now. Hope y'all boys sturdy ankle. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. Let's see. Facts. But yeah, that's the vibes right now. I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get a little bit closer to the gym for y'all boys. Alright, Chada, we are fucking off. Let's put an M2 mode, why not, right? Roll the window down, hear a little sound. Woo! I was about to mow down this young nigga. Nah, let me stop, I'm joking. Window down with the heat on, cause why not, right? Sheesh. Yo, chat, and I just want to say thank y'all to y'all. I appreciate every single one of y'all, for real. My channel's fake been growing OD. I gained like plenty of subscribers. Y'all know I'm on the grind right now. I'm trying to chase 1,000 subscribers right now. You know what I'm saying? Your boy trying to get monetized. Your boy trying to get paid. You know what I'm saying? Let me stop. I swear I don't do this shit for the money, because I ain't even making no money. But I already appreciate all the love and support that y'all dad be showing me. Y'all dad fuck with me. Like, y'all fuck with me, y'all fuck with the car build. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm meeting mad new people with this shit. And that shit is really, like, it's truly a blessing for real, like, genuinely. So I do want to just say thank you. If y'all don't know, I got big plans coming for this year. Big plans. Like, I already plan on starting another YouTube channel. I already started another Instagram. I already started, you know what I'm saying, another TikTok. Like, all that information, this is just a blimp, like, small talk right now. But I'm obviously gonna drop more information or a video about it another time. But yeah, I have big plans coming for this YouTube shit, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm kind of continue to grow, trying to monetize this YouTube channel first before I start my next one, shit like that, you know what I'm saying? Slowly but surely, we got big things coming for sure, you know what I'm saying? Bigger content, better content. Y'all do know I want to start track racing my my M2, so you know what I'm saying, we building that right now. It's just mad shit. But I'm gonna get into it. I'm gonna break all that shit down in another video probably, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just want to say thank y'all, every single one of y'all, man. We growing, man. We almost there. I think right now my sub count is about I think my sub count right now is about 717, which is fucking amazing. Like, that shit is crazy. I ain't even been doing YouTube a year, you know what I mean? Like, I think I started YouTube in like maybe June, July. Nah. I think it was June. Yeah, so it ain't even been a year I've been using YouTube, so. But, and all the love and support I got. Man, I remember when I dropped my first video and I only had like fucking 24 subscribers then. Then I grew to like 78 subscribers and shit, you know what I mean? Like, I remember when I was bum ass. I mean, I'm still a bum ass, but shit. Yeah, slow motion is motion, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's enough really yapping for. I just want to say thank y'all, every single one of y'all. I love, you know what I'm saying? I love every one of y'all. Keep liking, commenting, subscribing, all that. Tell a friend to tell a friend, shit like that, man. But yeah, we here. All right, chat. We just finished the workout. Do your homework on the Type S. You with me?
Batman Type S.
Type S with me.
Yeah, bro. Sheesh. Do your homework on the big ovo. The big ovo. They not here. Sheesh. She look good, yo. Bro, this nigga, yo. This nigga get on the camera and start whooping, boy. You can't have this nigga on the camera, but nah, we just finished a little workout. Look at this nigga. Yo, what's up with you? Yo. Yo, bro, shout out, bro. Niggas was bum ass DDs. Do the homework on. Sheesh. They not there. We here with it, you know what I'm saying? Bro, we here, bro. Let me see. That's it?
I'll put it in here. Yo, chat. I just left the gym. I'm feeling good. I was just playing that little Pop Smoke, nigga. Do your homework on Pop Smoke. Headed back to the crib and shit. Yo, let me tell y'all something. For the new year, if y'all ain't in the gym, get in the gym, yo. I'm not gonna lie. Get in the gym. That shit. Why the fuck is this nigga flashing me, bro? Like, I'm confused. Why are these niggas coming out here, coming off speedy, fast guy flashing me and shit? Yeah, man. If y'all ain't in the gym, get in the gym. 2026, y'all need to get in the gym, man. Change your life. Get your mental right, nigga. Y'all need to stop being home, being lazy. Y'all need to get in the gym. That shit'll change you, bro. Make you feel better. Think smarter. You know what I'm saying? Shit, just a little advice for y'all boys, man. I'm telling you, and make sure y'all read y'all Bibles, for real. That gym and that Bible, that'll change you. I'm telling you. But yeah, right now we on the way back to the crib. Was just kicking it with my boy. I hope I'm not hearing too much wind from y'all boys. Woo! Man, we feeling good, man. We feel. Intakes swooshing. Wee. Turbo spewing. This is the bad road. Fuck. I might have botched this. Chat. I might have botched this. Nah, I think we're good. Now shift on them. This car hasn't even reached its full potential yet, bro. That's the craziest part. Like, there's so much that still has to be done to this car for it to really like perform. Y'all know that. I don't even gotta tell y'all that part. Like, what the fuck are we doing here, brothers? Whoa, he's just tweaking. Chat, I'm probably gonna end the video off here. sure y'all boys, oh my God, make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe, all that good shit. You know what I'm saying? I'm posting bangers every fucking time, man. I'm consistent on this shit, man. I appreciate all the love and the support. You know that. Chef out.